Yes, Khushi, tell me. All right, everyone. Can you hear me properly? Note if you do. I appreciate your wishes, my dear friends, all students. You are sending me good morning, sir wishes. Thank you very much for that. But while we are in the class, please avoid that, right? These are some of the things that we will have to learn. That wishing in the morning, right? I am planning something very special for the morning routine. That will take some time. Maybe next week onwards, there will be something new. Okay. So for now, please avoid sending good morning, goodbye wishes. Okay. Unless you have some doubt, unless you cannot hear me properly, unless what I am teaching you, you cannot get it through. Okay. Then only send me a text message. Okay. Yes. Namaste, everyone. We have got 27 students so far, and we are waiting for a few more minutes. Just 2, 3 more minutes, and then we will be setting it up. Is there anyone who wants to go for a break? Water? Go to washroom if you must. We'll start in the we'll start the class in a minute. All right, everyone, let's get the class started. Multiplications. You already have studied this in their regular classes. Somebody is saying that they are not able to hear me. I would repeat, use headphones and unmute your own sound, right? You should be able to hear me. I think everyone else is able to hear me. Yes, if you are using phone, on the left hand side of the phone there will be a symbol of mic. Please touch it. Join using device audio. ओके अगर आपको आवाज नहीं सुनाई देती है तो आपके फोन पर एक डिवाइस, एक फोन का ऑडियो का एक सिंबल होगा, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो, ज्वाइन करो, है ना? ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लिकेशंस. 8 6 is going to be 48. This is called as multiplicand. Okay, this number is called as multiplier, and this one is called as product. Okay, right? Please note this down, everyone, in your notebooks. Please note it down. This is very simple fact that you need to remember. You will be using it time and again. What is a multiplier? What is a multiplicand? What are the products? Okay, right? And this particular part is the symbol of multiplication. Okay, cross. It's a symbol of multiplication. You can write it down. Symbol, that is spelling is SYMBOL, symbol, right? जब सुनते हैं तो ऐसे लगता है कि ए है, लेकिन ए होता नहीं है इसमें. SYMBOL, symbol. Okay, symbol, right? लिख लिया सबने? थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Okay, has everybody written it? Yes. Now hold on a second. Okay. Now multiplication in forms of, let's do this one. 528 into 1. What will be the answer here? Any number multiplied by 1, any number when multiplied by 1, the answer is always that same number. Okay? All right, everyone. Second one, any number when multiplied by 0. Any number when multiplied by 0, the answer is going to be always 0. Okay? Any number when multiplied by 0, the answer is always going to be the same. Now this one, how many of you have done the tables properly? Come on, attempt this one. Try to solve this. Yes, correct answer is 84. Right? Now this one, 7 into 12. What will be the answer for this one? Again, 84. Very good attempt, everyone. Those of you who have tried this one. Okay. Now, second frame. This means that if you have number big as this one, what will be the answer here? Come on, I can see it from your messages. Try this one. What will be the answer here? Very good, Sia. Correct answer is 512. All the students who are attempting this, very good. Sia, Anya, Jeet, Sneh, that is Akshat Verma, Priyal, Yug. Very good, very good. So that means in multiplication, the number multiplied does not make a difference, right? In any order, okay? Whether it is 512 here or on this side, it's not going to make any difference. All right. So these are simple multiplication properties that you need to remember. Okay. Very good. Now you can stop typing the message. Everyone has got it. Yes, who raised hand? Krupa. Krupa, what? Krupa, what do you want to say? Type it out. Okay. Now this is important parts. Now last year you had also studied how to write the expanded forms, right? It was for the expanded forms. Now, how do we write those expanded forms? Say, for example, 512 is equal to dash plus dash plus dash. Okay. Now, what will be the answer for this one? 500 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. This is also going to be useful when we learn different ways of multiplication. What is the chapter's name that we are going to conduct? Ways to multiply and divide, right? So that is what we are going to learn over here. Okay. But before we get into that, regular way of multiplication. Okay. Now you all know how to multiply these two numbers. 48 into 13. Come on, go ahead and finish it up. Everyone, start working on this one. I'm waiting for your answers. You can try it and let me know. See, there are some different answers. 624, 624, 524, 614. Nice price, everyone. Very good. 3 8s are 24, 2 carried over. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 144. Okay. Then this I cannot write down here, so I'm going to write it on the side. Right. So 144 is here. Then multiplication with 1, which is in the place of 10. So it's going to be 480. You all know how to write this. So that's not a problem. Right? 4 stays down. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 carried over. 4 plus 2 is going to be 624. So all of you who got 624, all of you who got 624, they can pat your back. Right? Since I am not with you, I cannot do it for you. Everyone, you pat yourself. Right? Come on, go ahead, do it. Have fun. है ना? आपने अच्छा काम किया तो शाबाशी तो मिलनी चाहिए. Right? And if parent is with you, they can do it. और जरा जोर से भी लगा देना. Okay. So let's do one more example. Right? Now multiplying with 3 digits and a 1 digit, 2 digit number. Come on. Go ahead, give it a try. Yes, very nice. Most of you have done it correctly. 624, the previous one. Now for this one. Come on, do it. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, I'm getting the answers now. 22,176. That's good. Vansh, Richa, Dwij. Dwij has got 21, 8,706. Let's see. 8 twos are 16. 1 carried over. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 fives are 10. Now multiplying with 40. So first comes 0 because it's in 10th place. So we'll have to multiply with 4 now. 4 eights are 32. 3 carried over. 4 twos are 8 plus 3. 11. So 1 and 1 carried over again. So 4 fives are 20 plus 1. 21. So answer will be 6. 5 plus 2 7. 1. 1 plus 1 2. And yes, very good. Again, go ahead. Our practice. Self-pat. Come on. Do it. Very nice. So many of you have got correct. Very nice. Only few of them got wrong, and that too small mistakes. Come on, you can correct it yourself. Right, Santosh? Come on, keep working. I can see it from here. Come on. One more example where we are going to do it with 4 digits. Right? Since you are in fifth now, you'll have to work a little bit more. Come on, go for this one. See, this is the benefit of doing tables in the vacation time. You think I give tables for just for some hard work? No, it was for this fun only. Come on, be quick at this. Yes, Mahir and Sia, you have got it correct. The previous one. Now attempt for this one. Be quick. Come on. Yes, Akshat, very good for the previous one. Come on, do it this one now fast. Multiplying with 1. See, this is the benefit of learning things quickly and understanding it properly. Okay. Now some of you might have done whole multiplication, right? See, the number over here is 1, right? I told you earlier that any number multiplied by 1 is going to be the same number. Yes, so you can just copy this number, you don't even have to think about it. Using maths, right? The maths simple tricks, you have to be quick in thinking. All you have to do is quickly use what you already know. Why to do 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3? You already know that multiplying any number with 1 is going to be 1, the same number itself. So you can just put it down there. Okay. So final answer will be 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carried over, 8 plus 1, 9, plus 2, 11, plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so you know what to do. Self-patting, come on. You know how to do this. And those parents who are sitting, come on, you go ahead. I have got 21 answers. Wow, very good. So many of you have got it correct. Nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. Right. So come on, let's do one more. Use your imaginations. Come on. Here you can use another trick. Think fast. All you have to do here, yes, very good, Anya. We got Rishi, Hanisha. All of you are correct. Very good. See again trick. Multiplying any number with 0. What is it going to be? 0. Right? Now multiplying with 1. What is it going to be? The same number. Yes. So we write 7,812. But since 1 is in the place of 10, you put 0. No need to do the whole calculation. Right? Whenever you have 0 multiplying with the second number, all you have to do is add 0 after the number. Okay? Now if there are two zeros, what will be the number then? If there are two zeros and one ahead, the number is called 100. And in that case, you will put two zeros. Okay? So let's try this one. Come on. Very good. Very good. Most of you are getting it. All you have to do is put 0 behind it. 3 to 9. Then count zeros. 2. Put two zeros. Here 1 0. So only 1 0. Here again 1 0. Again put 1 0. Easy, right? So even if we want to continue this, right, we can do it. Okay, right? Come on, go ahead. Yes, very good. This is simple. Three zeros right after 55. Simple. Now for this one, what you have to do is, there are two zeros, so we are going to put it same way. Okay. But you know the table of 12. 12 twos are 24. Put two zeros behind. Okay. Very good. So let's try this one. I had given homework for vacation, right? Let's see how many of you have done it. Mental math. Don't even use your pencil. Don't even use your pencil. This is mental math. Come on, do it fast. All you have to do is remember the table of 16 and you are sorted. Okay? This is the last example of the day. We'll end the meeting after this example and I'll see you in the next session. Meanwhile, you'll get some worksheet to work on. Okay? Do it properly. Right? It will be easy and it will be fun. So you can do it on your own. Correct answer for this one. 16 fours are 64 and then just put the 0 behind it. As simple as that. Okay? Have fun. Bye bye.